do this, everybody. Amazing. 50x on everything right there.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
That had some olives in it. It's like a sort of a ciabatta type bread. I toasted it in the oven. And then I put on this sort of tomato paste that I bought in Malta when I was on my trip. It was so delicious. We went to this wine tasting in this fun winery, and they also made their own like other foods and stuff and jams. And that tomato paste was so delicious on the bread. And I, of course, had to buy some for myself. We do have, by the way, quiz time on topic of tomato paste. It's red. So quiz time also is red. So let's go. Choose your team. Blue gang, yellow gang, or green gang. All right, let's go. Good luck. Okay, 20x for the green, 25x for the blue, team yellow. Guess what? You got a double. All right, yellow. Are you ready for another spin? Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued for 198,469 euros.
Oh. Woo, yellow, 200x. Well, congratulations. Compton's also the green and the blue, but yellow very nice with 200 this time. Very nice. Let's go spin. Let's close. Good luck. To sleep. Sweet dreams, mates. Oh my goodness. What is happening? Ladies and gentlemen. Well, I guess we are going to crazy time then. Come on, come on. Well, it is time to make your choice. Blue gang, yellow gang, or green gang. So everybody chose their team. It's time for the spin. Good luck. All right, 50x for the blue, 50x for the yellow. Green team, you're the lucky ones this time with a double. All right, green, let's go again.
This is the amount of money issued for 155,590 euros.
Green. Oh, wow. Green team, super nice. 200x. Congratulations. Compensation for the green and the yellow as well.
12, and the highest today was 500. And let's go to pachinko, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful, beautiful pachinko time. Hello, hello. Welcome, everyone. What kind of multipliers are we going to get? Well, we're going to find out really soon with you. Starting with the 2x, 5, 7, 10, 20, 25, 40, and 100. 200. Very, very nice. Well, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so what is it going to be?
This is the amount of money issued 656,509 euros.
Beautiful, beautiful people. Congratulations. 6,028 winners. That's beautiful. Woo! Greedy, 92,000 highest win is yours. Yes. We love that. Oh, my heart is beating so fast. Okay, good luck. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen.
Starting from the lowest multiplier, which is the 5x this time. 3 of them, 7, 10, 15, 20x, 25, 40x, 50x, 200x could be our max in this pachinko now. Good luck. Well, this is going right course there, almost. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued 946,180 euros.
We got 200x on this pachinko. Unbelievably lucky. 77 under one huge congrats. Lola got the most of a 20k. Prop and Star BST. Second, third place seed. Boom. Now I feel like
It's happening! It's happening! It's 20x on pachinko, guys. Oh boy! Oh, my heart is pounding. My heart is pounding. What just happened? We got 20x on top of everything downstairs. Look at those good things downstairs, guys. Woo! 2,000x is the biggest one. Let's go for the drop. Good luck. Oh! Ready or not, here I come. You can hide. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued 1,412,950 euros.
Indeed, indeed, indeed. Okay, let's spin again. Good luck. 5x on cash in, guys. Alright, let's see. Oh, come on. Stop. Oh, my days, ladies and gentlemen. 5x on a cash time. You see that? You hear that? You feel that? So we got 100x the highest for now. Let's add a nice 5x on top. Yummy! Look at that board! Oh my days! 500x the highest. We got 125x's. We got 250. Oh my days, guys. Oh my days. Happy times. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's shuffle the board. So, you know what you're picking? Yeah? Okay. 500 or nothing. Don't say that. Alright, picking time, choosing time, decision time is yours. You have to pick one symbol. They are not related to previously shown multipliers. You can roll with auto pick as you wish. I am choosing no duck for luck, of course.
This is the amount of money issued 664,280 euros.
Congratulations. I applaud to you. 104 you got the 500x. Wow. Just wow. Well done. Meow top win. 131,000 euros. Oh my days. Last seconds left, guys. Oh my days. Last seconds, guys. Bets closed. That was crazy. That was beautiful. Good luck now. Welcome newcomers. In the meantime, how are you doing, my friends?
Possible. Yeah, of course. Yeah, why not, 7x on cash in there, buddy. Just imagine, bro. I will get fired, you know. Fired. Cash and holler we could do. Maybe. Stay. Oh. Did you see that? How it returned. Hey. I gotta do that. I love the music here. We get 100x. 7x as well, right. 7x. 700x we have. 525x as well. We got beautiful things going on here. Just like you, my beautiful thing. Alright. Well, here goes everybody. We've shuffled it all up. It has been shuffled. Shuffled. Now you choose your thing, your emoji. Go for the bunny if you wish. Go for the apple if you're vegan. Joking. I mean, you know, hunting after all. Apple.
This is the amount of money issued, 825,098 euros.
Amazing. 139 wins for the 700 extra right there. GG. 6,705 wins in total. Blue Malian here with the top 3 wins. Betting time, everybody. Good luck to all in the next round. Let's continue. That was alright. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a session, everybody. What a session. Just let me tell you this. We have did it! 50x crazy time we have! No way! Oh, yes! Let's do this, everybody! Amazing! 50x on everything right there! On everything! Goodness, my friends! Green, blue, yellow. Which one are you gonna go for? Which one? Wow. Alright. What is the max? We're gonna be going for 5,000x multiplier. Best of luck to everybody. Let's do this. Yes! 750x is for blue. 5,000x yellow. And hey, green is going bigger. That's a double on the green flapper. Ladies and gentlemen, green flapper. 10,000x is on the line. Good luck to you.
This is the amount of money issued, 7,200,830 euros.
Beautiful 1,000x on the green flapper. We did it, my friends. We did it. 4,453 wins matter with a top win. What is that? 500,000 right there.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.